Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2014 Chevrolet Silverado. This vehicle is featured in red metallic paint with chrome accents. You can see we have our chrome running boards and alloy rims. We have rear privacy tint, tonneau cover, bumper steps, backup camera, heated leather seats, as well as projection for our phone. Onto the interior now of the Silverado. On our door panel we can see we have our memory seat option, chrome door handle, window and mirror controls with power mirror fold-in button in the middle there. We have our wooden trim, speaker and storage, as well as a padded leather armrest. Below we have our power seat and lumbar support controls. And left of the steering wheel we have a small storage cubby, four-wheel drive controls and lighting controls. Our gauge cluster with screen. Multifunction leather-wrapped steering wheel. There's buttons behind as well for the radio controls. Our infotainment screen with backup camera. Below that is our radio controls, CD player, dual zone climate controls, heated seat options here off to either side, then our vehicle controls, and we also have a charging outlet underneath and a bit of storage. Center console area, we have 3 cup holders, padded leather center console lid, phone holder, and plenty of storage room inside. This also folds up to become a third seat in the front. Again, also done in black leather. So are the front and rear seats, featured in black leather with perforated leather in the bottom portion. We have our OnStar controls in the rear view mirror. Above that are 3 garage door opener buttons and a sunglass holder. Back on the exterior now, we can see our alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps, Silverado badging in chrome, as well as our chrome mirror caps and door handles. Round to the back, we have our rear privacy tint, 4x4 badging, chrome bumper with bumper steps, hitch, Chevrolet badge, and LTZ badging. Now moving on to the rear interior of the vehicle, we can see we have our chrome door handle, window switch, wooden trim, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have leather magazine holders. And back of the center console area we have storage and a charging outlet. Then our back seats are a 60-40 split with fold down center seat featuring 2 cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2014 Chevrolet Silverado. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.